runway 3412, passing the 10,000 for 17,000.
It's been years since the Master Power Rand Airshow lit up our skies. This year, it came back faster, louder, and bigger than ever. Featuring old warbirds, helicopters, Formula A cars, and an airliner, making sure everyone was entertained. South Africa's only North American P-51, named Mustang Sally, also made an appearance capturing the imagination of young and old. The fun in the skies was also multiplied on the ground, with the Master Power team showing up in full force to support the event and join in the festivities. We thank everyone who helped to make this event a success, and we look forward to having Master Power return to the skies once again next year. See you then.
Copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer.